Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
And Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop?
Mater, let's go!
You're on!
They do it! These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic.
And number 3, you have to do whatever I tell you to do, okay?
Look out!
Yeah, if I run the errand, I'll be late for the movie.
Little bit of training.
Printer's looking to get upright, folks. She is not pleased.
Must be finished for good. McQueen cannot win the last race.
McQueen and Sally, work beneath the tape. K-I-S-S.
Wrench's Wall of Fame.
Every flyer, every mission.
Skipper.
No, those look like diesel parts to me, Sydney. And by the way,
Pretty music.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto?
Correcto.
¡Recto!
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Mater?
Yeah, Finn?
We're not here to go shopping.
Shop. What?
Thank you. No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Still working on that. And the best fitness regimen anyone could possibly imagine.
Wait.
Miles per hour. He's in the gate too. Clean through the horizontal. What? He is.
Goedemorgen, racewagen. Morgen, takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
Clear the starting line.
Man, I can't wait to get rocking. This is gonna...
Hot snot, we are back in business. Guido, Luigi, you're going up against professional pit crews, boys. You're gonna have...
felt happy.
Cannot defeat me! Cannot
Come on, you know who you're talking to? This is Lightning McQueen. I can handle anything. Wait, excuse me.
It's a show you've been in rehab!
Did you have a nervous breakdown, McQueen?
I'm sorry, what?
McQueen's wearing white walls!
So, you ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy...
Work through this stuff so when your big chance comes along, you can take it.
Hey, Cruz.
Oh, hey, Mr. Sterling.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will